It was okay. So the 28 million I can get tomorrow if we just pay the tax bill today, and then
Yes,
also the
you have
car and everything
yes, we
else.
will have this. Yes, Miss Anita. So what you would do, you would have to get the thirty-five
Excuse
thousand
me,
today.
huh?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I'm here, honey. I choked.
Yes. So I'm saying to you that you would need to get the 35,000.
Okay, so how do I? You can take it out of my prize then. That's probably faster. Just
No,
deduct
no,
it.
no, 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 no.